Hi guys, today we're going to be working out this differential equation. As you can see, this is a homogeneous differential equation. In order to start doing this problem, we need to first plug in tx and ty to see if t is constant throughout the whole equation. We'll go ahead and do that, and we're going to start with the square root of tx plus ty plus the square root of tx minus ty plus the square root of tx minus ty minus the square root of tx plus ty y prime is equal to 0. As we can see from the first part, we can pull out with square root t. Then we get the square root of x plus y plus the square root of x minus y. On this side, we can pull out with t, a square root of t, and we get the square root of t multiplied by the square root of x minus y minus the square root of x plus y multiplied by y prime. We can see here that this t is raised to the power of half. So then our alpha is constant and our alpha is half. Our alpha is half. What we're going to do next is we're going to leave the y prime on one side and move all the variables to the other side. So we have y prime is equal to the negative square root of x plus y plus the square root of x minus y over the square root of x minus y minus the square root of x plus y. We're going to go ahead and divide inside each square root by x. So we get the negative square root 1 plus y over x plus the square root of 1 minus y over x over the square root of 1 minus y over x minus the square root of 1 minus y over x. Now we have to substitute in v into our equation. Our vx is equal to y. Therefore, our v is equal to y over x. Our y prime is equal to v prime x plus v. We'll go ahead and substitute this into the equation. Then we get v prime x plus v is equal to minus the square root of 1 plus v plus the square root of 1 minus v over the square root of 1 minus v minus the square root of 1 minus v. My apologies, I didn't carry over. It's gonna be the square root of 1 plus v. Now we're gonna multiply by 1. We're gonna be multiplying the square root of 1 minus v plus the square root of 1 plus v over the square root of 1 minus v plus the square root of 1 plus v. This right here is 1. We are not changing anything in the equation. We're going to go ahead and multiply and distribute. Then we get 2 plus 2, the square root of 1 minus v squared over 2v. As we can see, we can factor out with 2 on both the top and the bottom, and we're left with 1 plus the square root of 1 minus v squared over v. And this is set equal to v prime x plus v. We're going to be subtracting a v from both sides. Then we have a v prime x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 1 minus v squared over v plus minus v. This right here is actually a v squared over v in order for them to have a common denominator. Thus, this is equal to 1 plus v squared plus the square root of 1 minus v squared over v.